Everyone, it's Fabien the Frenchy. Hope you are well. Today I will open a box of Upper Deck 1994 all-time heroes of baseball. Very happy to grab this box from a European seller. Let's go. I will open. Maybe I will open this box in 2, 3, or 4 parts. Let's go. Let's go. I think I get few cards of this in my collection. And about the card, I don't know how many there is in the set. The big thing about this, there is many pack. The big thing about this is you can pull an auto of a great player. You can pull an auto of Tom Seaver, Reggie Jackson, George Brett, and Mickey Mantle. But in my opinion, I get more chance to be hit by a meteorite than to pull a auto. But let's go. I will discover with you the looking of the card. I will just put, okay, that's nice. Okay, okay. I think the card must to be quite interesting because some. Oh, look, oh no, Tom Seaver. Do you think it's the auto of Tom Seaver? No. Oh my gosh, I don't want to look on. No, there is not a hologram on this. Not sure that. Okay, that's not. Gene Halley. I don't know all these players, but okay. Joe Garagiola. Honus Wagner. I know it. Okay, okay. Up and down. Okay, that's not. Bob Gibson. So sweet. Steve Carlton. That's it's Nolan Ryan. Major League. 125 anniversary. Reggie Jackson. George Brett. And Napoleon Lajoie. That's a Frenchie. That's not Frenchie, but that Tom Seaver. That is not auto Tom Seaver. Okay. I like the looking of the card, even if for me it's a little darker. That's a little too black on the card, but anyway, it's sweet to get some former player. Rico Carty, Mark Fidwich. I don't know the player. Al Rosen, Bill Reardon, Willie Stargell, Hal Oliver, Willie Stargell again, Ted Williams, pretty sweet. That it's Bert Campaneris. Okay, nice. And Mickey Mantle card. That it's nice. I think really the big thing about this product, if you succeed to pull an auto or maybe some insert of, I think that it's the reprint of Topps 1954. Maybe that it's must to be the biggest hit you can. Buddy Bell, Larry Doby, Mel Holtz, Bobby Grich, Liolich. Okay, nice. Bobby Thompson, Enos Slaughter, Steve Carlton, Kim Kelly. Okay, move on. Okay, next pack. The little dark, like there is not so shiny card. Buddy Bell, Greg Nettles, Monte Irvin, oh, he was famous, Robin Roberts, Billy Pierce, Enos Slaughter, Cy Young. Oh, nice photo. Roy Campanella, Dave Kingman. What the jersey you wear? Or is it the Cub jersey and he get a upper deck cap on his head? And Tom Seaver, the Miracle Mets won amazing championships. Okay, nice, pretty nice. Move on. Gene Halley, Tom Seaver, no auto on Tom Seaver card. That it's King Kelly. Oh, I love the looking of this photo. Al Rosen, Bobby Richardson. I think you do some TTM and maybe I will try my chance. Kingman, Walter Johnson. What is it? Bill Marowski is famous. I think it's my favorite famous end in the 7th game of the World Series. Checklist. And that's it. Paul Blair. First time I heard this name. Okay, move on. Oh, it will be fantastic to pull an auto, but I'm not sure. I will this. Bob Arns, Billy Martin. I think he was also manager for the Yankees. I think so, I guess. Johnny Podres, great. Bill Shoreham, Tommy Jones, George Kell, Steve Carlton, Bill Mazeroski again, The Babe, and Cy Young. Oh, that's nice card. Okay. Move on. Oh, I struggle. Okay. Billy Martin again. I think I will get a lot of duplicate. Oh, Mickey Mantle would to get his auto on this card, but that's not the case. Pearsall, Bill White. Oh, I love the looking of this photo. Marv Troneberry. First time I heard this name, but love the photo. Warren Spahn. Reggie Jackson again. Okay, Anthony Oliva. That's sweet. Move on. Tommy A.G. Willie Mays. Gil McDougall. Ed Lopat. First time I heard his name with the Yankee uniform. Nice. Frank Thomas. The original. Johnny Logan. First time I heard his name. Chris Mathewson. Great card. Oh, that's a pretty sweet card of Mickey Mantle and Willie Mays. Willie Mays at its beginning of his career with the Brooklyn, with the New York Giants, sorry. Okay, checklist. Reggie Jackson, nice. Okay, I will open some few other pack. Oh, look on the box is really full of the pack, and there is so many cards in this box. Maybe I will try to stop if I pull an insert. I would love to pull the 1950 54 insert. Jimmy Reese, Ron Santo with it's a White Sox uniform. You wear the Cubs caps on this. On that, it's White Sox uniform. Okay, nice, interesting. Johnny Mize, oh great. Johnny Wonder Mare. Vida Blue, oh Louvre. His leg, look on this leg, that's very high. Crazy leg. Napoléon Lajoie. Willie Stargell. Oh, Yogi. That's great. Very happy to get this card. On that, it's Bob Gibson. That's really funny because the style of the insert, they put the Upper Deck cap. Is it... oh, I don't remember the name in English, but that's the real photo or they just airbrush the card? I don't know. Paul Blair, Doug Powell, Rico Petrocelli, King Kelly, King, oh that's a great first name, Hank Bauer, Bill Mazeroski, Lou Brooks, that's pretty sweet card, Alkaline, oh, Ted Williams, and that it's Frank Thomas, that's pretty sweet. Let's go. I will not open all the cards about in this video because it will be too annoying, and I will just to pull an insert will be fantastic. Okay, move on. That's Doug Powell, Mel Hotz, Jimmy Piersol, Bill Madlock, Ronce, first time I heard this name, Henry Aaron, Lou Brooks, oh that's great photo, Bill Hack Wilson, first time I heard this name too, and Rennie Stennett, oh I never heard also this name, Rennie Stennett, oh, okay, nice. Okay, what this perk is. Steve Garvey, great card, great player. Jimmy Reese, Honus, Gil McDouglas. Oh, I like the looking of this card, that's nice. More I watch the card, and more I see the card, and more I like it. Sal Bando, Bucky Dent, pretty sweet. John Seaver, oh sorry, Tom Seaver, okay, my bad. Zibeb, Lou Gehrings, that's great. Lou Gehrig with his Babe Ruth. That it's Manny Sanguillen. First time I heard his name. Okay, another maybe last pack Magic. Whiteford, oh, love this guy. Love this guy. Darrell Evans, that's sweet. I think he signed my TTM request in the past year. Babe Ruth, Dennis Ennis, Jim Longboard, love this player too. Bill Bando. Oh, that is a famous speech about Lou Gehrig. Quite sad. Willie Mays, Lou Brooks. And that it's Nolan Ryan, I think so. I think so. Allez, maybe the last pack of the last pack for this video. Last pack magic, or I get 2 events. Okay. That it's Toby Ara, Rick Ferrell, first time I heard his name. Ed Lopat, Luke Appling, never heard about these guys. Hal Bunbury, same thing. Don Newcomb, Hal Kalin, sweet. Lou Gehrig, Steve Garvey, and Hack Wilson. And the last pack for this video, Paul Blair, Bob Horner, Ron Hunt, Babe Ruth, Bud Harrelson, Louis Tian, that is pretty sweet, Bucky Dent, Harvey Addix, first time I heard his name, and Ferguson Jenkins. Thank you for watching, all the best, happy collecting, bye bye!